Hey, listen, I bought this thing for cash flow. It's not cash flowing right now. What should I do? So, cash flow is king. It is. But you bought into a real estate project. It's not funding you right now. But again, I preached in a video before about being patient. It is about patience. The market will come back. These things happen. It's like if you invested all your retirement savings in a mutual fund, like some of my friends, and they lost all their money because the mutual fund went down. But if they waited around for a long time, they may have got their money back. I think just wait and be patient. It's a very patient game. I preach patience, I preach patience in real estate. It's very important that you go in with a long-term viewpoint. I've talked about this before in my videos. I say, be patient. Nobody wants to listen. How do I make a fast buck today? Is what the question is. There's no such thing. You make a fast buck, you live by the sword, you lie by the sword. You live by that kind of mentality, you also get killed by that kind of mentality. And unless you've seen those consequences, you don't understand it. You understand it if you're patient, you wait, you'll get a recovery, you'll get your money back, and you'll get cash flow. What else is there? That's my hope. I mean, you can't be owning stuff and then think it's going to go up forever and ever and ever and ever. I mean, there are corrections. This is a correction in the marketplace. Be patient. This is my second time in these videos I'm saying, be patient. You have to be patient. That's the reality of real estate. There's a stock market, it's a play. Be patient. It'll all come back. Thanks for listening, Richard Crenian.